Yo, guys! Today, we're gonna talk about some deep wisdom on life and warfare. So, buckle up and let's dive in. When you're feeling strong, play it cool like you're weak. But when you're weak, act tough, so no one can tell. If you really know your enemy and yourself, you ain't gotta stress about losing in a fight. Keep your plans secret, like the darkest night, and when you make a move, go all out like a thunderbolt. Remember, chaos can bring opportunity. Be the one who wins first, then goes to war, not the one who starts fighting without a plan. To really know your enemy, you gotta think like them. Long wars don't help anyone, so be smart. Treat your squad like your family, and they'll have your back no matter what. A good weapon can't last forever, so act fast and stick together. Be as quick as the wind, strong as a forest, and strike like fire. But also, stay as calm as a mountain when you need to. Seize every chance you get and watch the possibilities grow. There are only a few basic elements, but they can create endless combinations. Keep your enemy on their toes, making them work when they're chillin', starve when they're full, and move when they're settled. Before you start a fight, think about what it's gonna cost. And hey, if you're patient enough, your enemies might just take themselves out. Know yourself, and you'll win every battle. The real skill isn't just winning fights, it's winning without fighting at all. Give your opponent an easy way out, and keep your moves mysterious and hard to predict. That way, you're in control of their fate. Confuse your enemy, so they don't know what you're really up to. A true fighter wins with ease and makes their enemy reveal their weaknesses. Trust in yourself, and you'll find you're stronger than you think. When you're an expert in battle, you make the enemy dance to your tune, not the other way around. Attack and defense go hand in hand. Great things can be achieved with small moves. Be quick, or you might just lose everything. The best victory is winning without fighting at all. If you ignore your enemy and yourself, you're definitely in for some trouble. Don't make a move or use your troops unless there's something to gain. Don't fight unless it's absolutely necessary. Justice might take time, but it'll come through in the end. It's easy to love your friends, but the hardest lesson is learning to love your enemies. If your enemy has a united front, divide them. Don't trust someone who's got nothing to lose. Plan for the tough stuff while it's still easy, and tackle big goals by starting small. Don't spread your forces too thin, or you'll be weak everywhere. Be where your enemy isn't, and remember that sometimes, an enemy knows you too well. Chaos, fear, and weakness can all come from seemingly good things. Be careful who you trust, especially if they're friends with your enemies. Watch out for sweet things that hide danger, like sugar mixed with poison or a fly that's been around something dead. If you don't know the horrors of war, you can't appreciate its benefits. In war, nothing stays the same, it's always changing. Treat your soldiers like your kids, and they'll follow you anywhere. A good leader leads by example, not by force. Winning is all about knowing how to handle different situations and forces. Keep your strategies hidden to stay ahead. Having a strategy without tactics is a slow path to victory, while tactics without strategy will only lead to defeat. Treat captured soldiers well and keep them. You don't need to destroy your enemy, just break their will to fight. Every creature will fight back when attacked, so be cautious. And never trust a friend who won't call you out on your flaws. That's it for today, folks. Remember, life is like a game of strategy. So, think smart, act wisely, and always be one step ahead. Smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.